Chrystofer Benson here for Level 3, and I have a great technique that I'm going to share with you today. This is focused on short hair for men and women. This is really about pocketed color and focus color, giving a great energy to where the haircut and the color meet in synergy. So stay tuned, we'll show you how this technique works and show you a great end result. So got a beautiful cut already, and what we're going to do is we're going to isolate this. We're going to use some of our Level 3 grips, we're going to use some of our Level 3 clips, and I'm going to start to work with lit lightener in a 1-to-1 ratio and 30 volume for maximum lift. And we're going to section this first. So let's do that. All right, so that's the little pocket that we're going to work with. We're going to start in the front, we're going to work up. So what I'm going to do is we're going to isolate just a tiny piece here just to start with. And take my clip. We'll isolate that away. So that's going to be the first one we're going to start to work with. I'm going to use one of my pop-up foils, lock my comb in, under the fold, lift that up, and lock that in. And then we're going to go in with our lit lightener, 30 volume. Place that on there, hand underneath, and start to saturate that. Feathered at the base, so we're going to side brush. Making sure we got good saturation. And we're just going to stay slightly off his base so we don't have a hard line of demarcation as that color starts to grow out. We're going to fold that up, and we're going to take another slice. Now I'm going to build right on top of this foil. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull that down, hand underneath, protect the client. And then turn the brush sideways, feather that at the base, so no hard lines. Pull it. So you can see no hard lines at the base. And good saturation, mids and ends. We'll just fold that up. Should have 1 to 2 left. Again, feather at the base just to end that off so you don't have hard lines. So when we go to apply the color, we don't have to do a bunch of extra work. Good saturation. We'll fold that up. Fold these away from the client, and we'll let that process. We're going to take that up to about a level 7, 8. All right, so we're back. We've done the pre-lightening. You can see how beautifully even that pre-lightening is. What we're going to do is impart 2 different tones. So the first one I have is I have electric yellow and I have yellow, equal parts. We're going to mix those together. And that's what's going to go on the ends. And what we're going to do is we're going to start in the front just like we did when we did the pre-lightening. We're going to start in the front. We're going to take a slice, 1/4 inch. We're going to put the yellow, and then we're going to add the red. So we did a red, and we have the electric yellow and yellow together. So let's section it off. Take one of our level 3 clips. Okay, so that's just going to give us enough to work with. Now we're going to take one of our pop-up foils, and we're just going to lift that up, and we're going to lock that right in there. Now, I always go with lightest and brightest first, so I'm using my small brush, and we're going to put that in the middle, and I'm going to work that to the ends. And then what I'm going to do is just feather that softly, and then we're going to add the red. So now we're going to pick the red up. I'm going to put the red at the base. And then we're going to side brush into the yellow to melt those together. We'll fold that up. Take our next slice. Isolate, pull down, Start with our lightest and brightest. I'm gonna start with the yellow first. And then we're gonna add our base. And then we'll side brush those in together to melt. And even if we're getting some of the brown in there, that's okay, because we're not gonna really pick up the tone on the natural color. But I would rather have that in there than the blonde being exposed. All right. And then we're just gonna fold that up. We'll process this for 15 to 20 minutes, and we will have an end result, and we will show you guys then. Back with the end result. I did a beautiful flame, did a red at the base, mixed electric yellow and yellow together in equal parts, and did that on the mids and ends. And you can see just a beautiful end result. Matches great with the cut. And again, I don't think it has to be a lot of color. I think it's where you put it and really keeping focused and block primed color. This is a great end result, short hair, and I think it gives you a lot of accessibility to different end results. This is Kray, this is Lit, and this is Level 3 Color Education. We'll see you soon.